Good evening, my name is Yashasvi Sinha and I'm a foundation student. I will be giving my first attempt in November 21. So what I take back from the workshop and understand from the workshop is that first you have to overcome your weaknesses and turn them into your strengths. Your weaknesses like overthinking, procrastination, you have to change them into your strengths by methods of meditation, keeping yourself calm, reading a book, or just doing something that you like. According to me, this is very important. Secondly, what I liked the most about the workshop and something that will remain with me for a lifetime is that Sir once said in his session that confidence is a consequence. You don't have to be confident in order to do something. You have to do something to achieve that confidence. So the major part where I lack in my preparation is that I do not follow a routine and I'm not consistent. So I would like to implement that routine from tomorrow, follow it for a month and then review my performance. I think that will give me confidence. I will overcome my weaknesses in the month's period and then review my routine so that I know that I can do it and nothing is impossible. Thirdly, what I understood from today's session is that the key to mindful learning is consistency and cumulative revision. Everything that you read, your mind should be able to apply it in any question that is thrown upon you, and that will only come with consistency and cumulative revision. It is very important for a student to retain what they have studied, otherwise it's just wasting your time. So this is something that I learned from the workshop. These are the top 3 things that I think I should apply in my preparation, and then nothing can stop me from adding the prefix to my name. And I'm very inspired by this workshop. Thank you, sir. I'm really looking forward to tomorrow's session. And I will also remember that there are only 3 lakh chartered accountants now, and I would really like to add my name to the list. So thank you.